one kind of food. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone open your English literature book. Everyone open your English literature book. English literature. Okay, so in the last class, yeah, I have already studied the Kavya, looks the different types of butterfly, and the color of the butterfly indicates every type of object. Okay, so we also know the meaning of migration. We also know the meaning of migration, and today we will start from the page number 50. Okay, today we will start from page number 50. If there is a strong wind, just spread, don't have to flap their wings, Kavya said. If there is a strong wind, just spread, don't have to flap their wings, Kavya said. They just spread their wings and glide. They just spread their wings and glide. Glide means move smoothly. Glide means move smoothly. Okay, so if there is a strong wind, just spread, don't have to flap their wings. Kavya said they just spread their wings and glide. So in the wind, the butterfly has just spread their wings. Okay, don't flap their wings, just spread their wings to enjoy the images, the flavor of the wind. So the butterfly enjoys the flavor of the wind. Just spread, don't have to flap their wings. Kavya said that they just spread their wings and glide. So move smoothly. They must be bumpy. Bumpy means uncomfortable with a lot of sudden movements. They must be bumpy. Mary whispered to Kavya. One of Kavya's one of the classmates, Mary, they whispering and said that that must be bumpy. Bumpy means uncomfortable with a lot of sudden movements. Bumpy means uncomfortable with a lot of sudden মুভমেন্টস, মানে কি দৌড়াদৌড়ি ছোটাছুটি এপাশ ওপাশ ফ্ল্যাপিং করছে, ছুটছে, এ করছে, তার জন্য কি করছে আনকমফোর্টেবল উইথ আ লট অফ সাডেন মুভমেন্টস, মানে এত ছটপট 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 করে বাটারফ্লাই, ওই জন্য আনকমফোর্টেবল। ঠিক আছে, আমরা দেখবে এক জায়গাতে বাটারফ্লাইকে বসতে দেখি না, আরেক জায়গায় বসলো, আরেক জায়গায় বসলো, আরেক জায়গায় বসলো, এরকম করে করে ওরা কি করে চারিদিকে তোমার চিপি 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 করতে থাকে। ঠিক আছে, so they must be bumpy, Mary whispered to Kavya. Kavya thought about the bus ride to Bengaluru, squeezed in between all the luggage, bumping and tumbling for hours and hours. So Kavya thought about the bus ride to Bangalore. So Kavya imagines, Kavya remembers the journey. Okay, Kavya remembers the journey that he thought that the bus ride to Bengaluru, squeezed in between all the luggage. Squeezed, means she was squeezed between all the luggage, bumping and tumbling for hours to hours. Okay, so Kavya remembers the journey from their village to Bangalore. ঠিক আছে, to their village to Bangalore. Bengaluru, squeezed in between all the luggage. She was squeezed in between all the luggage and bumping and tumbling. For tumbling means falling suddenly for hours and hours. Is that how a butterfly felt in the wind? বলছে is that মানে she just like the butterfly, মানে their journey was like the butterfly. Butterfly's journey was like that, the Kavya's journey. Okay, so when butterflies migrate, they follow rivers to stay healthy. They stop along the river bank to soak up minerals with their feet. It's called mud puddling. Laila Miss said, when butterflies migrate, migrate means to move one place to another. Migration means to move one place to another. So when butterflies comes from one place to another, they follow rivers. To stay healthy, they stop along the river bank to soak up minerals with their feet. It's called mud puddling. It's called mud puddling. This is Laila Miss said. Mud puddling, Mary said, that sounds like fun. Mary said, this word, mud puddling, this sounds like fun. Mary and Kavya smiled at each other. It is, Kavya said, but now puddles are hard to find. In Kavya's village, men in trucks took sand away from the river. The weather became hotter and hotter every year. There was less and less rain. Last year, the river went dry. So বাটারফ্লাইজ যেখানে তোমার ওরা ওদের কমফোর্টেবল ফিল করবে সেখানেই ওরা যাবে, ঠিক আছে। ওদের যদি ওয়েদারটা শুট না করে, বার্ডস এর ক্ষেত্রে, বাটারফ্লাই এর ক্ষেত্রে ওরা কি করে, মোর ফুড, they want more food and they want more comfortable feeling, so that they migrate. That's why butterflies migrate from one place to another. Okay, so then it's but now puddles are hard to find. In Kavya's village, men in trucks took sand away from the river. The weather became hotter and hotter every year. Bolche, in Kavya's village, men in trucks took sand away from the river. The weather became in Kavya's village, the weather became hotter and hotter every year. There was less and less rain. Last year the river went dry. আগের বছরে তো নদীটা শুকিয়েই গেছে। The butterflies did not have enough water to mud puddle, and Kavya's family did not have enough water to farm. That's why they moved to Bengaluru. The butterflies did not have enough water to mud puddle, and Kavya's family did not have enough water to farm. Kavya's family did not have enough water to farm. মানে Kavya's family ওই সময় ওখানে যে চাষ করবে সেরকম সে জল পায়নি, ওয়াটার পায়নি, সেই জন্য কি করলো, they moved to Bengaluru. They moved to Bengaluru. You know a lot about butterflies, Kavya said Laila Miss. Laila Miss বলছে, Kavya, you know a lot about butterflies. That's because they are my favorite insects, Kavya said. So Laila Miss said to Kavya that you have already know that you have you have enough knowledge with butterfly. Laila Miss said to Kavya, you have enough knowledge about butterfly. Then Kavya replied that the butterfly is my favorite insects. That's why I know everything about the butterfly. For the first time that day, Kavya did not know the answer. There was so much to love. How could she pick just one reason? Butterflies were beautiful. Some were covered in spots, others in stripes. She loved to watch them drink nectar. Nectar means honey. Nectar with a sweet liquid that flowers make, which birds and insects drink. Nectar meaning a sweet liquid that flowers make which birds and insect drink. So the nectar with their long tube like mouths. They were friends of flowers and they spread pollen. Pollen means a fine powder produced by flowers which help produce new seeds. Okay, so they they spread pollen which made more flowers and fruits grow. So butterflies have different types of advantage. Butterflies have different types of advantage. We get the advantages from the butterfly. Which advantage? Butterflies were beautiful. Some were covered in spots, others in stripes. She loved to watch them drink nectar with the long tube-like mouths, and they were friends of flowers. And also, the great advantage is they spread pollen. They spread pollen. Pollen which made more flowers and fruits grow. Pollen means a fine powder produced by flowers which help produce new seeds. Okay, butterfly produce that pollen. They fly far, but wherever they land, they make new friends. They fly far, but wherever they land, they make new friends. They fly everywhere. Okay, they fly everywhere. If you go to somewhere from if you go to somewhere from your place, from your home, far from your home, you there you got many friends. Okay, you got many friends because you are very friendly. তুমি যদি কোনো জায়গায় গিয়ে তোমার অনেক বন্ধু হয়ে যায় তাহলে তোমাকে কি বলবে যে তুমি খুব ফ্রেন্ডলি, তুমি খুব কমফর্টেবল with that situation. So you have very friendly nature. That's why butterfly has very friendly nature, because butterfly went everywhere, they get friend, and they were not feeling any type of bad things, any type of bad impression. Okay, so they lived comfortably there. Okay, so they fly far, but wherever they land, they make new friends. Kavya said, smiling at Mary. They are very small, but they are also very brave. Butterfly is very small, and butterfly are also very brave. Okay, butterfly is very small and butterfly are also very brave. Just like you, Laila Miss said. Kavya smiled, and a smile as wide as a butterfly's wings. Kavya smiled a smile as wide as a butterfly's wings. So Kavya smiled like a butterfly's wings. Butterfly যেমন উইংটাকে স্প্রেড করে দেয়, সেরকম কাব্যার স্মাইলটাও মনে হলো যেন বাটারফ্লাই যখন উইংসটাকে স্প্রেড করে, সেরকম কাব্যার স্মাইলটাও মনে হলো স্প্রেডিং, মানে গোটা মুখ ভর্তি ওর স্মাইল। ঠিক আছে, সো কাব্যা, বিকজ কাব্যা ওয়াজ ভেরি হ্যাপি। Okay, Kavya was very happy to hear Laila Miss voice, Laila Miss sound, and Laila Miss, whatever Laila Miss said, that Kavya was very happy to hear Laila Miss voice. Okay, Kavya, Laila Miss, whatever Laila Miss said, butterfly likes you. Laila Miss compared Kavya with the butterfly. That's why Kavya was very happy. Laila Miss যখন বাটারফ্লাই এর সাথে কাব্যার কম্পেয়ার করলো, তখন কাব্যা প্রচন্ড হ্যাপি হলো, because Kavya loves the butterfly, and Kavya's favorite insects was the butterfly. Okay, so just read this portion. Read carefully, read thoroughly. And the green corner, just look at the page number 50, the right side corner, butterflies in my stomach. This idiom means you are feeling very nervous. It describes the fluttering feeling we get in our stomach. Okay, when we feel the upset in our stomach, these idioms means you are feeling very nervous. Butterflies in my stomach. ওই যে বললাম butterfly ছটপট করছে, butterfly in my stomach. That describes the fluttering feeling, means upset in our stomach. When you feeling the stomach ache, when you feeling the stomach ache, you are feeling the stomach ache, then you said that butterflies in my stomach. You said this proverb, or you said these idioms. You used these idioms when you are feeling upset in your stomach. You just use this proverb, butterflies in my stomach. Okay. And mud puddling means everyone write in your copy. Everyone write. Mud puddling means butterflies take nutrients from the soil. Butterflies take nutrients, nutrients, nutrients from the soil. Pushti, nutrients, pushti, Bengali meaning pushti. They take nutrients from the soil. They take nutrients from the soil. This is called mud puddling. They take nutrients from the soil. Everyone write. They take nutrients from the soil. Yes, Adrija.
Can I read?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Adrija, just stop. Have you any problem?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 doubts, and can I read?
Okay, tell me your doubts.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of glide? I am writing the Bengali meaning.
Huh? Oh,
I am writing the Bengali.
Okay.
Bengali.
হ্যাঁ. Move smoothly means হচ্ছে ধীরে ধীরে নড়াচড়া করা। মুভ মানে নড়াচড়া করা, ধীরে ধীরে, স্মুথলি।
Yes, ma'am. Then troubling.
Trouble, tumbling, falling suddenly.
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, falling suddenly মানে হঠাৎ করে পড়ে যাওয়া।
Okay, ma'am.
Complete, Adrija?
Yes, ma'am. Can I read now?
No. Later on. Yes, Arad.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of puddles?
হ্যাঁ, ওই যে মাঠ পাডলিং, মানে বেঙ্গলি মিনিং হচ্ছে কি, যখন ওই মাটিতে বসে তখন ওরা কি করে, মাটির মধ্যে ওই নিউট্রিয়েন্টসটা নিতে চায়। ঠিক আছে, দিস ইজ কল্ড মাঠ পাডলিং, দিস ইজ কল্ড পাডলস।
Okay, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, and also the when they are যখন দেখবে বলছি, যখন আমাদের গায়ের প্রতি ওরা আকৃষ্ট হয়, আমাদের বডি, ওরা বডিতে ও ব্লাডের ওরা গন্ধ পায়। They are smelling the flavor of the bird, so they are attracted by our skin, the butterfly. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sirin Saiba. Sirin Saiba.
ম্যাম,
Yes, yes.
আমার খাতায় কি লিখতে বলছিলেন আপনি?
Oh, mud puddling. The meaning
খাতায়
of
কি লিখতে বলছিলেন?
the meaning of mud puddling. The meaning of mud puddling.
আর ম্যাম,
The meaning of mud puddling.
ওকে ম্যাম। ম্যাম, টি ইউ
হ্যাঁ,
মানে কি?
হ্যাঁ,
টি ইউ
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ,
বি, what is the meaning?
I can't hear your voice properly. Can't hear. কেটে যাচ্ছে তোমার কথা, শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, কেটে যাচ্ছে। Can't hear your voice.
ম্যাম,
হ্যাঁ,
ম্যাম, TLBANG।
ও টাম্বলিং। টাম্বলিং মানে ফলিং। টাম্বলিং মানে ফলিং সাডেনলি, ফলিং হঠাৎ করে পড়ে যাওয়া, ফলিং সাডেনলি। Okay, just I will
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
we have
ma'am.
no time today. I will clear all your doubts tomorrow. First clear of all your doubts, then I will start English language. Okay, first clear all your doubts tomorrow, then I will start English language. Just everyone just sit, everyone sit quietly, because I will give your attendance. Tanvir Islam Khan. Tanvir. Priyam absent. Okay. Okay, so I will clear all your doubts tomorrow first. Then I will start the English language. Okay. First you read it carefully. Then you have any doubt, just ask me tomorrow.